Hello guys, Oxid here, and welcome to a little bit of a different video. So I enjoy switching around editing images and whatever, so I saw some other YouTubers do kind of challenges, so I thought I'll just tell my girlfriend to pick 15 stock images, and I will try to use them all in one edit. So I'm not the best at this kind of edit, but this is why I want to try it out. I'm just gonna put some music here and you can see my process and we'll see the finished product in the end.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worthy. You have the world right at your feet. And almost is all we'll ever be. Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer.
So this is the final image, and I'm not sure if I like it or not. Like, it's so different for me to do these kind of videos, but I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you think it's a good edit, then like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and maybe I'll do more of these when I get better at it. And I know that I have one more planned, that is going to be the photos that my girlfriend has made, that she has taken. She's going to give me like 10 to 15 of those as well, and I will try to edit something out of that. This is mainly just for my own fun and for my own educational purposes in editing. Anyways guys, I hope you've enjoyed. Have a good one.